The checklist for your next tropical vacation probably includes sunscreen, bathing suits, and sandals. But what about protecting yourself against travel health faux pas? Statistics show that 98% of travelers make a food or water faux pas within their first 72 hours of vacation, such as consuming uncooked shellfish, drinking tap water, or using contaminated ice cubes. Dr. Dominique Tessier is a Canadian physician and travel health expert who is aware of the health risks that Canadians face when traveling outside the country.
Food and waterborne disease, including traveler's diarrhea, hepatitis A, and typhoid fever, are serious health threats to the travelers. Even if you don't have much time to prepare, you should consult a travel medicine expert or your family physician before traveling to this destination. We can give you proper vaccines to protect you effectively and safely.
Dr. Tessier is part of a travel health awareness team that recently visited locations in Canada to inform travelers that with the right precautions and by becoming informed about health risks, they can increase their chances of having a healthy trip and avoid committing a travel health faux pas. A Canadian survey found that travelers are not taking health precautions seriously, as only 1/3 of Canadians received a vaccination of any kind before traveling outside of Canada, and more than half of travelers did not consult with a doctor before going on vacation.
Vaccination should be a priority for any travelers to some destination, including Mexico, the Caribbean, and of course developing countries. By vaccine, combined vaccine giving protection against hepatitis A and typhoid fever, and Dukoral vaccine giving protection against traveler's diarrhea are ideal for travelers to those tropical destinations.
Almost 60% of Canadians traveling outside of the country experienced traveler's diarrhea, and 89% of those indicated that it affected the quality of their vacation. Other food and waterborne illnesses, such as hepatitis A and typhoid fever, are common in developing regions, such as Mexico and many Caribbean destinations. In fact, a recent study shows that Mexico accounted for 12% of all travel-related cases of typhoid fever. In order to prevent the onset of travel-related diseases, travelers should speak with a travel health expert or their doctor about being vaccinated with Dukoral, which is the only vaccine indicated for the prevention of traveler's diarrhea, and Vaccinations, the only 2-in-1 vaccine in Canada that provides protection against both hepatitis A and typhoid fever. Martin Vanderwood reporting.